how in which all categories your income is classified. So the total income is classified into 5 categories. First one is income from salary. It is the main thing which is going to be coming to you in the form of salary. So first one is income from salary. So all the what is your net salary credited in your bank account, that will be taken into consideration for income from salary. Next one, income from house property. So whether you have let your house for rent or lease or whatever it is, that is also going to be the income for you. You have to uh, tag that income under income from house property. Profit and gains of business. So whether you made profit from business or profession, that should be coming under this category: profits and gains of business or profession. Capital gains, any fund inflow you got because of share market or other things, trading or other things, they will be coming under capital gains. And finally, income from other sources, maybe income from your fixed deposit, income from your lease property, all those things will be coming under income from other sources. So broadly, your total income of any person will fall into these 5 categories only. The first one is income from salary, income from house property, profits and gains of business, capital gain, and income from other sources. So we are fitting our income into these 5 categories. Even the income tax of India government website, you have to log your income only under these 5 categories of income. You might have other categories, but you have to fit into these 5 categories only for filing your